Hello world, welcome to quick tip number 33, a straight line. As you can see in those two samples, there are numerous situations where you want to fly a straight line, but sometimes it's just not possible. Although I can say for myself that I'm a pretty good pilot, there are situations where it's very difficult to fly straight, usually if you fly at a very low altitude. The first sample was something that happens to me in practice. This video is done specially for this video. The altitude for this video was below 10 meters or 30 feet. Because this is something that happens on the fly, we will not discuss how to do this in the web app, but just purely on the fly mission. So when you are at site, you're gonna make your points and you're gonna fly a straight line. Here I'm trying to fly a straight line over a railway track. Although it's only a short distance, you quickly divert from your straight line. For the sake of this video, I have turned up the speed a little bit. And this is the result. It doesn't look very good, does it? In the more professional versions of Dronelink, there are other applications to do that, but here we'll just try the simple built-in waypoint mission. On the fly, of course, and we're gonna set it up as you can see. For this mission, we just use a start point and an end point, so just two waypoints. So you fly to your first point and you mark it. Make sure that everything is correct, the height, the direction and the flight. So then you fly manually to your second point and you mark it as well. And in principle, that's it. When you go to advance, then you have to set up your details as well, of course. During flight, you cannot change the direction of the drone, so you have to be very careful where you frame it. You can focus at the point of interest or your location, then the camera is dynamic. When you set all your parameters, give it a name and you're done.
3, 2, 1, starting mission.
And there you have it, a nice straight line. Due to restrictions of the electrical power lines of the railway track, we're flying a little bit higher altitude, but that of course makes sense.
Mission accomplished.
Now we will set up a flight, again a waypoint flight, but we're aiming at my location, so this will be dynamic. Dronelink sees that you have done this flight before, so it will ask you if you want to repeat or to start over. We of course start over. Now select My Location.
Drie, twee, één. Starting mission.
And again, a perfect straight line and aiming at me.
Mission accomplished.